Hey RVers, it's Mikey B of Beckley's RVs. Are you looking for a travel trailer that's value packed and ready to hit the road at any moment? Maybe it's your first camper altogether. Well, this one, you gotta check it out with us. Behind me is a 2026 Winnebago Access 18 DBH model. Let's get into it. All right, guys and gals, I have been doing this for a long time. It's those little dollar items that really add up a big value that you're going to appreciate once you start camping with it. And it starts on the exterior in general, but up with the front pass-through storage doors. Really nice handle that's easily clickable and open with one finger, a magnetic catch, and a really wide open door so we can get a big bulky items in our pass-through storage. It continues on with the doorway entry. We have a big grab handle here. And a really lightweight stairs to open up. And last but not least, you guys know me, patio time. On the door side, we have electric, cable, and a big power awning to give us awesome elevated patio time. Inside this Access 18 DBH floor plan, it's a small footprint, but again, as I mentioned outside, a big value to this thing. So make sure you catch all the stuff that we go through, and I'm sure there's gonna be some things I missed. Starting in the kitchen, a lot of kitchens are usually cut when we get into that under $20,000 price point, but not with Winnebago. They maintained everything for us. 12-volt refrigerator freezer that really cools everything down, but it is huge. It's got a lot of capacity there for you. Moving off to the right of the refrigerator is going to be your cooking appliances. You can use obviously the microwave at the top for zapping some of that popcorn for movie night or just some reheats. Below that is going to be your 2-burner propane stove top to get some things boiled up and cooked up maybe for breakfast. They're going to make sure that we have everything that we need, and one of those key items is storage. Underneath the 2-burner stove top is 3 drawers. Pull out, you got plenty of room for all your cooking utensils. Moving on past to the right of that, your overhead cabinets, again, tons of storage, big area here for big items. The sink is nothing small here again. Big stainless steel sink to make sure if you need to get those big pots and pans in, you can easily clean them up. Plenty of counter space around there so you can throw your drying rack off to the left, maybe on that stovetop cover. Even underneath the sink has got a little shelf for those sponges, or maybe you want to double it up as a spice rack. Below the sink is, again, tons more storage. I like the grab handles on these cabinets. They're very easy to get to and open up. And last but not least, of course, they have a recessed area for your trash can. As I mentioned outside, the dollar items that really bring big value to this camper, it really is evident here in the dinette booth. The table is just very thick and solid. As soon as you sit down, you'll catch that. And talking about sitting down, the cushions are high density. I don't feel like I'm sitting on wood. First timers, you got to come out and check it in person. You'll know what I mean. And those that have had campers, you can chime in. You know exactly what I mean with all that. Oh, we're getting a delivery. Hey, Damon. Anyway, again, the smaller, less expensive campers, we have something that you'll immediately see is not this big window. Winnebago is bringing a lot of value to this. A big window here that I have great visibility for patio time. Big window even to just open up and allow some fresh air. Above me is going to be some cabinets that they again are trying to give us as much storage as we can get in this camper. You do have placement for a TV. If you choose to watch TV while you go camping, there's a great place to install one there for you. And last but not least, now this model is a bunk bed model, but just in case you need to make this into a bed, you certainly can. You can sleep 1, maybe 2 kids, and it'd be a great just kind of last ditch effort to sleep somebody. But anyway, let me show you how that's done. So as you can see, we got 2 double-sized bunk beds. Definitely going to be probably kid size. If I'm in here and I'm hogging the bed from because it's corner to corner to make sure that I'm 6'1", I can fit in here. But we have 2 of them, so each kid or each kids can fight over the top bunk, if you will. But again, those dollar value items are coming into play. Each bunk bed has a USB 12-volt charge port, so mobile devices, check. And just those small touches. The lights are on a switch, not those, I don't know, push button pancake lights, which little fingers can do a switch a lot easier. And last but not least, with these bunk beds, they're bamboo cushioned, so it's super, if you haven't slept on a bamboo mattress before, you gotta lay down on one, but they just kind of contour your body and just so much better than those standard RV mattresses. So back in the bathroom, again, Winnebago's not cutting any corners, giving that bang for your buck. We're gonna have a shower first off that does not have just the standard walls. It has a shower surround, so that makes obviously water protection so much more superior, but also a lot easier to clean. And talking about easy clean, that squeegee door that is retractable, that makes wiping off that water real fast as you open up the door. Of course, you've got your standard toilet, but above the toilet, again, just a little dollar item, but hey, it's there already for you, a towel bar. Opposite of all that is going to be your bathroom vanity, plenty of storage above with the medicine cabinet, and of course the storage below. And again, last but not least with the bathroom, it's that little dollar item. The light is on a switch. Adults, this part is for you. Yep, the main bed. And again, not cutting corners. This bed up here is a full 60 by 80 real queen mattress, not some RV size mattress. Again, like the bunk beds, we have a bamboo mattress. It does have more thickness than the kiddos in the back, but hey, mom and dad's paying for it, so we better have some more conveniences, right? Above us is going to be a ton of shelving space, so you can throw all kinds of stuff that you may want. And behind me is going to be, of course, your hanging closet to hang some of those garments. But again, those little dollar items that I keep harping on. I love the fact that the lighting over top the bed, again, is by a switch that's conveniently here in the back. That makes sense. You're going to bed, you're already in bed, flip the switch and kill those lights. Next to the light switch, again, is another awesome little feature that's probably going to be really convenient when the time comes. The outlet has not only your 110 hookup in case you're plugged in at a campground, but you also have USB and USB-C charging ports. And of course, last but not least, underneath the bed, you'll still maintain some extra storage space, maybe for some of those extra shoes. And across that, I don't want to say the head of the bed or the foot of the bed, I guess it depends on your choice. We do have another window that we can open up for some cross ventilation, but it's a perfect time to point out the blinds are on roller shades here and at the dinette. Again, just an extra little money that Winnebago is putting into those little conveniences that we will greatly appreciate when we're out on the road. All right, so what do you think? A lot of value there for a little price tag and a little great camper? I think so. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Comment below. I'm sure there's things there that we got to get some answers out to you. And everybody, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.